Alright, so let's say you want to show a variant date metafield on a line item. We can do that with our app checkout buddy. So let's say we have a product package protection, and then we have a metafield test date, and it is set to a date field. So if we check the metafield right here, this is the metafield. Its namespace is custom, key is test date, and the type is actually a date. Alright, so we go to checkout buddy, and let's see, just delete this to restart. Okay, so we're going to go to line item text, and then just name it and start date. We can use the JavaScript. We can enter any JavaScript here, including line item product metafield. So it is custom test date, and to use that we can go to our help docs and search up line item text, and then to use a product metafield. All right, so that would be line.product.metafields and namespace.custom. So line dot, what was it? Product metafields namespace. So the namespace was custom and the key was tested. And then yeah, that should show the basics. So if we save this block, and then we can add it to the checkout editor. Okay, we gotta add it right here. So I already added it, but just to demo again, I'm gonna delete this block and then re-add it. So we can add it right over here, order summary, and put the app ID, which is 9081, include in the shop pay, and then we're going to drag it down to the first slot under items in cart. Okay, and then if we check our checkout and refresh the page, you see that it shows the start date of the package protection, but it also shows the start date of the snowboard, which doesn't have a date, and we don't really want this. So to remove that, we can add a display rule. The display rule, do product line item metafield. Nope, line item metafield. Product metafield. All right, there we go. And we go target line item product metafield, and we make sure that we show it only when the line item's product metafield is equal to, or is not equal to, an empty value with the namespace of custom test date. So this metafield, as long as it's not empty, as long as it has a value, it will show. So if we save that and we refresh, okay, now it only shows for package protection because only package protection has that metafield. But in the original request, it said, okay, I don't know where it went, but we want to change the formatting of this because right now it's 2024-month-date, but let's say we want to reverse that. So we can do that because within these curly brackets accepts any kind of JavaScript, except for outside calls. So we pull this up, we pull this code up. So let's say split dot string. So we just do this, put a dot right there. So it'll take the metafield value and it'll split by the dashes, and then it'll reverse it, and then it'll join it again by a dot. So if we save this and then we go again, we refresh, we see that it has reversed. And yeah, that's how you add the date with a variant date metafield with a format like this. Hope that helps. If there's anything else, just send me an email or reply to this video.